Social Cam, what's going on? It's been a minute since I actually did a video. I'm not really much of a video person, but I am here at I think I'm in Charlotte somewhere, and just doing some stuff. But just here at this little gig thing, having a good time. I guess you can kind of see everything we got going on. I think Herm already showed you his setup. This is pretty nice. And of course, still mine over here, kind of thing, whatever. Just something to do. You know how it is. Got a Christian over here. Say what's up, man.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah. Great guitar player. Look for him. Yeah. Larry's over here doing something. He's busy. Say hi, Larry.
What's up?
And Mike.
What's up?
Yeah. Great sound, guys. I mean, everything's sounding great. Anyway, just checking in with y'all. That's really it, man. That's definitely it. Just trying to get done with the sound check so we can get to doing what we do. All right? Y'all be easy.